Hey friends, welcome to your channel Com Guide. Are you preparing for competitive exams? All the information that you need to know is available right here. So without taking you much of a time, let's get started. In this video, I'm going to share with you how the interview patterns are getting changed. If you are a technology buff, then how the future of technology is going to shape up. I'm going to share with you. Technology is coming day in and day out, and it's changing the way we live, the way we work, the way we think. Right? Everything is getting changed. So world today is changing at a very fast pace. So even your interviews, the way interviews are conducted these days is going to change, right? See, if I talk about how interviews are conducted today, there are many job portals. You go and apply various jobs. Your CV passes through an application tracking system, right? If your CV is designed as per the ATS, then you get calls from the recruiters, and there are further round of interviews, 2 3 round of interviews, whichever is suited, for that particular company. So that is how the interviews are conducted these days. But in future, the way interviews would be conducted is going to change. If you are into a technology company, if you aspire to work in a technology company, this is especially for you guys. Hackathons are getting very popular among the startups, among the tech companies, right? And even the universities, in India are getting lot of traction, when it comes to hackathons, right? And you feel that these are getting popularity, you must be aware about it. See, what actually has given this push, right? Hackathons have got a lot of push, because of the current pandemic situation, where you can't step out. Even the recruiters, don't step outside, so they are looking for a platform where they can hire, in a remote way. That is the reason, these days the technology giants are turning towards these online hackathons. And they, in near future, it would be the standard platform, for hiring in the technical jobs, right? These hackathons are nothing but the physical and the online events, right? When there was no pandemic, the technology companies used to conduct hackathons, physically, right? You need to go there. There is a set venue, you need to reach there on time. And especially the people who participate, they are either coders or the analysts or the designers or the business strategists, right? These hackathons, what the organizers do is, they have a predefined rule. Before you take participation in the hackathons, they would put certain questions, before you, and you need to come up with the solutions, right? You can enroll in an hackathon and you can go and work with the similar minded people, and you try to find out a solution to a problem, right? There are three types of hackathons, broadly. There are internal hackathons, there are external, and there is a hybrid hackathon. If I talk about internal hackathons, in the internal hackathons are organized by your company itself, right? So from the daily monotonous job, of your desk job or whatever work you do, now you try to break that monotony by participating in the internal hackathons, and you try to come up with certain solution to the problems, right? You come up with new strategies. When it comes to external hackathons, they are organized by somebody outside your company, right? They are they expect a wide pool of talent, people to participate in those hackathons, right? And hybrid are a mix of the internal and the external ones. When you are participating in these hackathons, you can showcase your skill. The more you participate, the more ideas, you throw up, the more learnings, you can have. And whatever the solution, you are building to the set question, to the set task, kind of, prototypes, that you develop, the kind of actionable prototypes actually you develop, the kind of strategies, that you suggest, right? The kind of vision and goal that you share with your co-colleagues, right, in the hackathon is going to impact a lot when it comes to your performance. And these hackathons are going to benefit you a lot, because most of the times, when you are able to solve a problem as a team or as an individual, or you are able to come up with some strategies or the ideas, which is going to impress the recruiters, and their problem is getting solved, definitely they're going to recruit you. And for you, your recruitment cycle is going to come down to few days, rather from few weeks, right? And you will be able to showcase your technical skills, your people skills, time management skill in addition to that. So for me, if you ask me if I would have preferred to work in a technology company rather than in finance or not, I definitely would have preferred, going in a hacker. If you are a technology buff and you prefer to work in tech companies only, then the technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, blockchain, biometrics, 3D printing, Internet of Things, wave technologies. These are going to play an immense role in the new technologies that are going to shape up the near future. So if you are really interested in working in a technology companies, please do try your hands on these. See, most of the times, you are not going to find, these technologies in your existing curriculum. So try to learn from outside, by doing some certifications.